In a blow to the central government, the Bombay High Court has struck down the amended Information Technology Rules 2021. These rules followed the government to set up a fact-check unit to identify fake news on social media. Justice Atul S. Chandorkar delivered the final opinion on the matter, calling the amendments unconstitutional. He agreed with Justice Gautam S. Patel's earlier ruling that held that the amendments violated Articles 14 and 19 of the Constitution. Justice Chandorkar found that the terms like fake, false, and misleading used in the rules were too vague. He declared the rule ultra-vires, meaning it exceeded the powers granted by the IT Act. The court has now struck down the amended rule and the petitions will be placed before a division bench for further decision. The fact-check unit was notified by the Union Ministry of Electronics and IT in March 2021 under the Press Information Bureau. Its role was to flag false information related to the central government on social media. Earlier this year, a two-judge bench of the Bombay High Court delivered a split verdict on the legality of these amendments. While Justice Patel had struck down the rules, Justice Neela Gokhale upheld them. Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay then assigned Justice Chandorkar to give a final opinion. Petitioners, including stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra, the Editors Guild of India, and other media bodies, had opposed the formation of the fact-check unit. They argued that it would allow the government to censor content and deprive online platforms of legal protection. Despite these objections, the court had previously refused to halt the formation of the fact-check unit while the case was being decided. Under the amended IT rules, any content flagged as fake by the FCU would have to be removed by online platforms if they wanted to keep their legal immunity. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the government, argued that the rules were necessary to combat the dangers posed by fake news such as deepfake videos. He clarified that the FCU could only identify false content but could not remove it, leaving that decision up to the online platforms. The petitioners contended that such powers could lead to preemptive censorship and unnecessarily removal of content, harming free speech.